Do you want someone to help manage your Temu store without sharing your main login details? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a secondary user. So you have the full control on what they can see and what they cannot see. So this is something similar what you have seen on Amazon, secondary user, adding all those kind of stuff. My name is Sebastian, founder of Retail-Outsource, a full service Amazon agency. So let me share my screen. So once you have logged into Temu Seller Center, you need to go into My Account. That's on the left-hand side, and you will be able to see an option for a user permission. So if you are coming here for the first time, there'll be no persons added over here. And first you have to do is to click Add User, and that will pop up a new window, and you have to enter the email and the name of the person that you want to add to your account. And what happens is that they will get an email with the invite. So they have to follow that step, sign up for the account. And once that's done, when you come back and check over here, you will have this name added over here, and there will be option under actions to manage permissions. So this is where you give permission. So I will show you how it looks like. So manage permissions. Again, for each section, there are different permissions like homepage, messages. And again, there is none is there. There is view, and there's view and edit. If you want them to view and edit, then make sure that you select the correct permission settings for the staff to work on. So I will just scroll through all the options they have. And once you have made all the changes, given all the permissions, for just let me give you an example. If it's just an accountant who just want the figures, in that case, you only just need to give the financial side, the order side. Maybe they want to look, and the finance side. That's a thing that they need as well. They don't need any other, listing side or any other analytical side. So again, depending on the staff, you can give the permission. So you have the full control on how to give permission. Once you're happy with all those settings and permissions, you can just click update, and it will show us a pop-up saying the permission has been updated, and it will show us a green over here. So if you have made any changes, if you have changed from here to none, it will show us a green. So you know exactly if it's reflected or not. And then wait 10-15 minutes, and you can ask the staff, could you please now log in and see if you have the permission or not. So this is quite easy, quite straightforward, quite simple procedure from Temu to add a secondary user. I have other video on Temu as well. So if you want to check, please do check out our channel, and we have a lot of Amazon related videos as well. So please do check it out. Thanks a lot for watching.